Weddings in India are a lot more than a single day event that joins the couple in life forever. It holds a bigger significance that brings in culture, history, family, rituals, emotions, and a lot more in a beautiful package. That's where my role and the equipments I use come in, to make sure that no moment goes uncaptured. With the variety of some amazing features and advancement in imaging technology, the new Canon EOS R5 has elevated my skills of creativity to a whole new level. Equipped with an approximately 45 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, the EOS R5 offers both high-resolution stills and video output. And the fine-tuned DigicX image processor complements this with a wealth of speed. My name is Nitin Arora. I am a Canon maestro and I have been capturing weddings from almost a decade now. As a wedding photographer, my biggest focus remains on the fact that every moment is like a flowing river. Once it passes, it won't return. So I need to be always present in the moment and act like a superhero. Delivering incredible performance at speeds of up to 12 FPS at mechanical shutter and 20 FPS at silent electronic shutter, the EOS R5 camera can capture the split-second details between a subject's movement. This is ideal for me as a wedding photographer, as I have to be fast and remain discreet while capturing emotions without making much of noise. The brides are my muses. I don't just paint their wedding days, I portray the story behind each and every expression. The EOS R5 camera offers 100% coverage over the image area and brings head and eye detection to a whole new level, which makes sure that I am not losing the autofocus at any single point. We tried capturing our models even from far, and while moving the camera, it worked brilliantly. With weddings, I have got to remember that this is a day that's going to be the most cherished day of the couple's life. Thus, every detail around the occasion, be it location, dress of the bride, or the jewelry, has to be captured in high quality. For the first time ever, we can now record movies in breathtaking 4K at 120 FPS to give dramatic slow motion effects, and 8K raw DCI resolution without any crop, using the entire width of the sensor. With 4 times more pixels than 4K videos, not only do we get more detailed and sharp footage, but we can also enjoy greater creative flexibility of zooming and cropping without loss in resolution. Also, we can now grab a high resolution of still image, approximately of 35 megapixel from an 8K DCI movie, which is astounding. It also provides Canon log, which gives a great control over shadows, highlights, saturation, so we get rich and high dynamic range footage with better result. And if we are looking for something graded straight out of the camera, we can also choose HDR PQ as an option. The EOS R5 is Canon's first camera to incorporate in-body image stabilization and provides up to 8 stops of shake correction. Mostly in Indian weddings, it's difficult to handle the camera on a tripod or a monopod. So while shooting handheld, I tried capturing one of those shots with IS on and one with IS off, and you can notice the difference here. Indian weddings are a whole day affair where we are constantly toned from day to night, and vice versa. The R5 now comes with a new battery that is 2130 mAh LPE6NH, which is a robust, long-lasting battery. Being a wedding photographer, we shoot in challenging light conditions and have to work on higher ISO, where the lighting is dim and dark. The ISO in R5 ranges from 100 to 51,200 and is expandable up to 1,02,400. Amazing with its low light performance, the EOS R5 camera's brilliant autofocus can operate in EV-6. And to try this, we have shot our models in the dark lighting conditions to see how it performs. And the AF remains intact and sharp. The new EOS R5 doubles your memory capacity with dual card slots that fit one SD card and one CF Express card, which is especially necessary when performing 8K recording, as we shoot at movie bitrate of almost 2600 Mbps and 1880 Mbps while shooting 4K Ultra HD, which is unbelievable when compared to any other camera. Overall, the R5 ergonomics are fantastic, the compact body with its amazing grip and features. The weather-sealed body gives you the liberty to shoot in worst climatic conditions, and even God has tested us and we proved it right. More than a wedding photographer, I prize my skills as that of a visual storyteller. I understand the value of each shot I produce and what importance it is going to hold in the couple's life, which is why the equipment I use needs to be my biggest support and strength. And I found that with the Canon EOS R5.